It's the learning experience and the ability to inspire other women with what I do that keeps me coming to work each and every day.
I have a sense of pride in the work that I do and how far I've come in this trade.
I am a trailblazer. I get to prove that every day. I am doing something that means a great deal to me. It makes me feel like I can do anything.
Every day I get to showcase my willingness to learn and to stand out in what I do.
The success of this company is really owed to the people who have worked, strived, and moved M. Davis into the construction leader we are today.